Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with a what's in my hospital bag video. I was not planning on doing this. I didn't even know these type of videos existed until a few weeks ago, but you guys did request this and I watched a few and they are very helpful. Now I know that I probably underpack compared to a lot of the videos that I've seen, but if you guys see something that I'm missing that I absolutely need, please let me know. So I am pushing 39 weeks, so we are at the end, but it is dragging out. Like I am so ready to be done, okay? Like I'm just so tired. My energy is depleted and I'm just ready to get back to feeling like myself again. So I'm just patiently waiting. So jumping right in, I will be bringing my absolute favorite travel bag. If you've been following me for a while, I did a pack with me like 2 years ago, and this is the same bag from that video. I absolutely love it. I used to be the queen of overpacking, but ever since I bought that bag, I've been actually pretty minimal with when I travel. I only bring that bag with me now, and I've even left for a whole week and I only took that bag. I know it's crazy, but yeah, really love that bag. So just jumping right in. So in no particular order, I'm gonna start with my prenatal vitamins. I take a few brands, but this one is the most convenient because they're gummies and I only have to take 2 of these a day. So I'm gonna pop these in my bag. So next we have my makeup bag, and I pretty much do my makeup every day out of this bag so I don't forget anything. So I have my powders, my foundation, my Fix Plus, everything in this bag, and I love it because it's clear. I can see everything that's in here, and yeah, it's not too big. So yeah. So next I have my battery pack, which definitely comes in handy because most times in hospitals the outlets are so far, and you know we gotta have our phones, so this will definitely come in handy. I think this is from Target, but this can charge your phone, I believe, 2 or 3 times. So yeah, definitely need this. I have a toiletry bag, which pretty much just have all of my little essentials. I have my charger in here. Of course, I definitely need that. I have wet wipes, definitely a must have. I have deodorant, a little travel toothpaste, hand sanitizer, moisturizer. So all of those little knickknacks and stuff are gonna go in here. I noticed a lot of people pack like pads and things like that in their bags, but I feel like they give you all that at the hospital, so I'm gonna try to keep it really minimal. So I packed my little back support band in here because my back has been killing me, so I like to wear this when I'm like walking around. So if I'm in labor and it's taking a long time, I will be wearing this because it just really helps my back. I also ordered a faja, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit it right out of the hospital because I tried it on and I can't even like barely get it past my butt. So I definitely will be ordering a postpartum belly band as well. This set is from Nike. It's really cute, and this will just kind of be maybe a going home outfit, or if I'm cold in the hospital, I can wear this while I'm there. Okay, I just realized I packed like 4 outfits, so I'm gonna take one out. But yeah, I have plenty of little cute little sets that I can wear. I have a pair of slippers here. These are from Victoria's Secret. So I have an extra pair of socks just in case my feet gets cold. So I will be taking lots of pictures. So of course my camera will be coming with me. I'm debating if I wanna just bring my vlog camera just because it's smaller and more compact, but I just love the way my Canon takes pictures, so I guess I'll bring both, but definitely will be needing my camera. I have some hair ties in here. I really would prefer to have braids in my hair, so I'm praying that I can muster up the energy to do my hair before I go to the hospital, but if not, I'll just be wearing it in a pony like this. And I also have my trusty Cetaphil cream. This is the only thing that moisturizes my skin. The last time I was away and I forgot this, I regretted it because my skin was so crusty. So definitely my Cetaphil cream has to come with me. Now that is pretty much all I have in my bag for now. Of course, I'm gonna add my laptop in case I wanna watch movies, headphones, And I think that is it. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I am missing some things. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them below. I also will be adding the baby stuff to my bag. I don't know if I should pack a separate bag. I probably should pack a separate bag, but I already have all of his stuff kind of in the crib ready to go. Like his onesies, a few onesies. And I have some socks here, a hat. So I will be throwing this stuff in the bag, but this is gonna be like his little going home outfits. I have a cute little blanket here, and then I have this cute little sweater for him, which is probably gonna be way too big, but this is like a little wrap sweater where like it kind of like hugs him in there, and it has a hood. This is probably gonna be way too big, but I love it because I want to take pictures in this. So I will be bringing his stuff as well. So I'm debating if I probably want to just pack a separate bag, which I think I should. But that's pretty much all that I have for now. I'm starting to feel like, yeah, I definitely need to add more. But you guys will let me know what I need to add to my bag down below. So that is pretty much it. The next video will be a cute little preview of my nursery, which I did by myself. And I love how it turned out. I even repurposed some balloons from my baby shower. So yeah, those definitely came in handy, and I'm waiting on the wall art to come in as well. So that is pretty much it. I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and I will chat with you in the next one. Bye.